Oh, hi. Welcome to my schoolhouse. Now it's time for everybody's fave. You're doing fantastic. Great job. That's right. Problem 3. 7 plus 5. Good one. You did great. Come here and get your prize. A shiny quarter. Problem 1. 0. You got it. Great job. That's right. Problem 3.